For this mat routine, we're going to be using one strap. You could use the strap that comes around your yoga mat. You could use a belt from Housecoat, any other belt, any other type of strap. Even if you have a resistance band that has a bit of stretch in it, that'll work. Just grab what you have. We'll start with some moves in seated, and then we're going to lie on our side, one side, the other side, and we'll finish lying on our back. So take your strap and place it around your back, the middle of the back, and then bring it up so it's coming underneath the arms. And we're just going to hold it in our hands with elbows bent. So you can feel the strap across the middle of the back. Sitting tall, we've got a little scoop in the lower abdominals, engaging the core. We're just going to breathe here. So big inhales and exhales. And notice how when we inhale, the rib cage expands against the strap, the back of the body. And as we exhale, that softens. And take a couple more big breaths. And then bring the strap down around the waist. Cross in front, just a gentle bit of tension here so that we engage the core, thinking about that scoop in the lower abs, scooping in and up, slightly bringing the navel towards the spine, using the strap just to notice the core engagement. And continue with your full breaths. And release. We're going to bring the strap out in front of us, and feel free to sit any way that's comfortable for you. You could even start in a chair. You could start with legs extended. We're going to hold on to the strap in our two hands with palms down, about shoulder width apart at about shoulder height, and put a little bit of tension in the strap so you really feel your arms engage. From here, lift your arms towards the ceiling. Just lift as high as is right for you, and then bring the arms down, back to starting, and one row. Bend the elbows, bring that strap towards the chest, reach forward, and lift, lower, and row. Just getting some movement into the upper body here. Shoulders, arms, upper back. Continue to have a tall spine. Four more rounds. And then extend both legs out in front of you. We're going to place the strap around one foot. So for this mat routine, I would recommend either socks or bare feet, just so we can really feel the strap on our foot. And then place both ends of the strap in that same side hand. And the other hand can just be down on the mat anywhere, just for a little bit of support. Sitting tall, leg with the strap around it, we're going to lift and hover, just hovering above the floor, above the mat. And from here, we're bringing out to the side and back to center. Keep the toes pointing up the whole time. And we'll go two more. Back to center, switch feet, strap around the other foot, both ends of the strap in that same side arm, same side hand, sitting tall. Lift the leg to hover, and then out to the side and back to center. 2 more. And place the strap around both feet now. Legs extended, toes pointing up, holding each end of the strap in your hands, sitting tall, and just pause here. Nice stretch for the back of the legs. Coming back to your full inhales and exhales. And then you can release that. We're going to make our way to lying on one side. So if you're sitting on a cushion, that can go off to the side. And when we're lying on our side, we're going to have the strap around the ankle of our top leg. So you could get that in position and holding onto the strap with that same side hand. Bring yourself down, rest your head on your lower arm. Find a comfortable position. Bottom leg extended, top leg, we're bending the knee, bringing the foot behind. And then we're just holding here. So a nice stretch for the hip flexors, front of the hip, into the front of the thigh, the quadriceps. Just hold here, full breaths. Taking your time to release and make your way to your other side. And again, we're going to position that strap around the ankle. Lying down to support the head. Bottom leg extended, top leg. Bend your knee, bring your foot behind. And just find that position. Again, all our stretches should feel gentle. We're never working through pain. Another inhale, exhale. Take your time again to release. And keeping your strap with you, we're going to make our way to lying on our back. So you could have your knees bent and reach your arms forward, and with control, roll down onto your back. The strap is here where we can easily reach it. Both knees bent, come back to your breath. Bring your right knee towards your chest. And either hands on your shin or under your knee. And then we'll place the strap around the foot. Middle of the strap, around the middle of the foot. Extend the leg to the ceiling and hands hold on to both ends of the strap. Your other leg, your left leg, can either stay bent or you can slide it out on the mat. We're going to point and flex at the ankle a few times. So point the toes and then flex at the ankle. A few point and flex. One more each way. And then we're going to place both ends of the strap into the left hand. So left hand is holding onto the straps, and then right arm can come down onto the floor. Just slide your arm out a little bit. And from here, we're letting the leg cross midline. So coming over to the left and moving really slowly, kind of inch your leg over till you find the right spot for you where you're feeling a nice big opening in the hip, along the outside of the leg. Again, it feels gentle. It feels like a nice stretch, no pain, no discomfort. And then come back to your breath and hold here. You're not trying to get to any certain place, just wherever it feels like that nice stretch for you. Let your body relax, supported by the floor. One more full breath. Slowly bring that leg to center. And then we're going to switch hands. So both ends of the strap in the right hand. Left arm down on the floor, slide out a little bit. And this time the leg is coming out to the right. So just out to the side. Again, you go slowly until you find the right spot for you. And then we just stay there. Just let every other part of your body sink down. Have another inhale, exhale. Slowly bringing the leg to center when you're ready. And bend your knee and remove the strap. Just extend both legs for a minute. Have your hands on your belly, on your rib cage, tuning back to the breath. Just notice how that feels after doing those stretches on the side, on the right side. And then bend both knees again. Left knee into the chest, hands on shin or hands under knee. And then position the strap around your foot. Extend the leg to the ceiling. The other leg, right leg, either keep the knee bent or you can slide it out on the mat. And holding both ends of the strap, we'll do some point and flex at the ankle. Go ahead. And pause. Both ends of the strap in the right hand, left arm comes down. We're crossing midline. Slowly, slowly, find that spot where you want to stay. Use your exhales just to relax the muscles. Slowly come to center. Switch your hands, both ends of the strap in the left hand, right arm down, and then out to the side. And pause. Slowly, leg comes to center. Bend the knee and remove your strap. And you can put the strap off to the side. Let's extend both legs. Just slide your feet out towards the edges of your mat, just a little bit out to the side. Let your feet flop out to the side. Turn your palms to the ceiling. Bring your arms slightly out to the side. And now just let everything go. Just let everything sink to the mat. Let go of any tension. Let go of tension in your jaw and your face. Shoulders sink into the mat. And you can stay here a little bit longer, just letting your body absorb those stretches. Or you can join me to come back to seated. We'll finish with 3 breaths. So if you're coming back to seated now, you can bend your knees and roll onto one side. And if you like to sit on a cushion, go ahead and find your cushion. Thank you so much for joining me. I love to hear in the comments how these stretches and moves with the strap were for you. And I will, the pinned top comment, if you're interested in my cushion, my mat, my strap, I'll put all of that there. But I always appreciate a like, subscribe to the channel, comments. They help me out a lot. And thanks for joining me. So let's finish with 3 big breaths. Inhale, exhale, and 2 more. I hope you're feeling amazing and have a wonderful rest of your day. Take good care.